Take a ride in the 2019 X6. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe has broken all barriers and found itself in a class all of its own and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, leather shift knob, lumbar support, navigation system, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.